months of demolition.
Yeah,
But we can definitely, my lord,
If the construction is unauthorized
or
and the
in
municipal law
violation of law, whatever.
and the municipal laws provide for that. If suppose it is in a margin area, if somebody is required to keep 10 feet margin in front and 5 feet on both the sides, but then even such construction has to be demolished
In accordance with
in
law.
accordance with law. Otherwise,
Certainly, not, your lordships are very rightly and very pertinently put. Even after conviction, it cannot be done. Correct, I know that. Lord, kindly have it on some day.
May I say
As
something?
they say, a pious father can have a recalcitrant son, and vice versa. But this is no way to go about it.
Lord,
Lord, this is not the way at which it is projected. The way.
No, I'm saying, in case it is demolished on that ground, which can't be.
It is not demolished.
Which is what you are saying. Which is what you are saying.
It is in past also from Lord, facts which are pointed out. I can show that notices were issued. They happen to be involved in some crime. Otherwise, the entire procedure was followed much prior.
Now, will you allow us to respond, Mr. Mehta? This is not true. Lord, in Delhi, what happened? On 16th of April 2020.
If it is to be argued, my lord, have it on some day.
I'm responding to you, and we are seeking a solution with your assistance, Mr. Mehta, because you are the Solicitor General of India. And you believe in rule of law, as you said. 16th of April 2022, brought these organizations brought seek permission of police, BHP and Bajrang Dal, to carry a procession.
Lord, if we have to, my lord, argue for the media, my lord, I can start arguing for media.
Wrong. I want to show that. Lord, what happened?
Have it on.
proposal will keep it on next Monday. You.
What I'm worried about your lordship's suggestion partly. I bow down to what your lordship said.
So you can strengthen it. Give a suggestion.
Steer me for a minute. So 16th April, they seek permission to carry out procession. Police refuses, saying that we will not allow you. They carry out procession. Police registers an FIR against them. Then, Lord, what happens? Next day, the BJP president of Delhi writes a letter to Municipal Commissioner, not Delhi, saying that, and Police Commissioner, give us 400 men, we want to start demolition tomorrow. They start demolition. Now, is this not unauthorized construction?
That is why, Mr. Dave, if you...
It is coordinated.
All these. Pin the authorities who are, according to acting in a documentation procedure which will be impregnable, including digital proof. We can ensure, see, that is the immediate requirement now. So if you can give suggestions, and solicitor has started with this para in the first affidavit, and we fine tune it.
My lord, as a matter of fact, my lord, some third party has come before your lordships. Those, my lord, I'm not on locus. I'm not on locus.
Keep facts aside, Mr.
I'm not on locus. Those whose houses are demolished, they have not approached any court because they know that procedure is followed.
No pressure. Mr. Mehta,
What is this, my lord? What is the which tenure?
Community, they can't
See, my
stand up.
lord, this is, if you want to make it dirty, you can. I can't.
It's not dirty.
May I seek your lordship?
You have demolished the houses. No, I'll tell you.
Just refuse.
Assam High Court, Guwahati High Court ordered more 37 lakh rupees compensation. Identical case, similar case. Now, Lord, in Udaipur, what happened? Some Muslim boy stabbed another Hindu boy. His house